Shalom, Yasharella, this is Jess. Before I get started, I want to give all praise, glory, and honor to AHAYAH, ASHAR, AHAYAH, Bahashem, Yasha, Rawach, Qadash. So the reason I'm coming to you today is because this has been on my mind for quite a few weeks. I shared it on my Facebook a couple weeks ago, but I really, especially with someone leaving a comment the other day here on YouTube, I am feeling impressed to share this with my audience here. So what it is this one sister, she left a comment saying, she's feeling called to come out of Babylon, but her circumstances, right? And so I feel like this could be a really good option. I understand not all Yasharella will resonate with this, especially, being under the curses. Not a lot of us are rolling in a lot of dough, right? But I know there are also a lot of people, Yasharala, that they have businesses, they have good jobs, and so this is a viable option, especially if you are really wanting security. This could be a viable option. So what it is getting citizenship via your ancestry DNA. So if you've never heard of this is AfricanAncestry.com. They offer a DNA test where they will show you the tribe that you come from up to 2,000 years. So like 500 to 2,000 years ago, they will tell you which tribe you came from. Now, if you're a woman, you can only take the matriclan DNA test kit, which, biblically, it's not going to mean anything, but it can get you citizenship, okay? Now, if you have a brother, an uncle, if your dad is, still blessed enough to be alive, or a grandparent, grandfather, you can do this option, which is the patriclan or patriclan, right? So that will test your father's side, but you cannot take it as a woman. You do need a man who is from your dad's side. That would be ideal, right? So these are two options. Now, what you can do is you can take the test. It is more expensive than doing Ancestry, Ancestry.com or 23andMe, those types of tests. However, again, this tells you your tribe. So I'm going to leave these links in the description so you can look over them yourself and get the information. I just wanted to share this because it is an option. So for example, let's say you belong to the Mende people, okay? Let's say you get your DNA test back. They'll give you a certificate, which I would recommend getting the certificate. If you're going to do this, get the certificate because you're going to need that for your citizenship. But let's say, hypothetically, you belong to the Mende people. So apparently the Mende people nowadays live in Sierra Leone, which means that that's the country that you would get citizenship in, okay? So, again, I will leave these links in the descriptions. They're saying if you have more questions as far as guidelines and requirements, you can email these individuals. They will give you more information. What happens is they send you on some sort of reunion trip. It is mandatory, I believe, or here, they're telling you right here, if you are interested in citizenship, you either have to do the reunion or tourist board certified tour operator. So either way, that's what I'm saying. This isn't for your average Yasharalite. This is for people who probably, you're making, I would say, a decent amount of money, or you have a decent amount of savings. And the reason I say that is because you do have to spend quite a bit, but it's going to get you that security that a lot of people feel that they need when they come out of Babylon. So it'll give you that citizenship. I'm going to also leave a link to this as well, because this person has provided quite a bit of information as far as approximate cost, right? So I'm going to leave all these links. I really hope this helps. Obviously pray about it. This could be an option for you if you are seeking to get up out of Babylon. I'm not sure how long this process takes. You will want to, contact one of these individuals and get more information. But, this is a wonderful option And Sierra Leone is not the only country that you do this in, right? So that's why you will want to go ahead and get your DNA test done first. And yeah, I hope this helps. May it help you. May it be a blessing to you. Hopefully this works out for you if this is the option that you take, because then you'll be able to more than likely if you have a business, you can take that business to whichever country you decide to get citizenship in, and or maybe you can work remotely from the job that you currently have, right? Who knows? But when the sister left the comment talking about her circumstances preventing her from coming out of Babylon right now, my response was Hebrews 11:1, which is about having faith. That is the currency we are going to be operating in these last days. So it is so important that we operate in faith. That is what's going to make things happen for us. So yes, I pray that this helps you. I thank you so much for listening. I love you, Yasha. Please stay strong. If you are feeling called to come out of Babylon, just know that AHAYAH is calling you out, and he will order your steps for you to get out, and this could be an option for you. So I give all praise, glory, and honor to AHAYAH, ASHAR, AHAYAH, Bahashem Yasha, Rawach, Qadash. Selah.